Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. On this channel, I do hairstyles for kids and also beauty DIY. So please take some seconds and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so you can join the family, okay? So in today's video, we are going to be making vitamin C serum for lightening the skin and also getting rid of dark spots. That's what we are going to be making today. So if you're interested, please keep watching. All right, let's get right into the video. So first, to make the serum, all you need is to get a clean plate. Then you get one orange. We'll be needing orange for the vitamin C serum. So now I'll go ahead and peel the skin of the orange because that's what we are going to be making use of, okay? Orange is very good to the skin. It helps to protect skin from free radical damage. It heals dry, flaky and itchy skin. Orange peel helps to hydrate dehydrated skin. It brings back moisture to the skin. There are a lot of skin benefits of orange peel, guys. Orange peel can help to prevent oxidative stress in skin cells for youthful and glowing skin. It can also help in renewing worn out cells, and also it can help you achieve that lightening glowing skin. Yes, orange peel can help you achieve all that. So after peeling off the orange peel, I'll go ahead and cut it into small pieces, as you can see me doing now. So once that is done, I will move over to the next stage, which is blending the orange peel. So now I'll go ahead and add everything into the blender. So after adding it into the blender, the next thing I'll do is to go ahead and add my sweet almond oil. There are a lot of skin benefits of almond oil also. You can decide to add any oil of your choice, okay? Almond oil helps to reduce puffiness and under eye circles. It helps to improve complexion and skin tone. It can also help to treat dry skin. Almond oil can help you to reverse sun damage, and it also helps to reduce the appearances of scars. Okay, there are a lot of skin benefits of it, so I added it because it's so good to my skin. You can choose to add any oil that is good to your skin, okay? So once that is done, I'll go ahead and blend it without adding water. The only liquid I added to this mixture is almond oil, okay? No need of adding water, all right guys? So I will go ahead and blend until smooth. So after blending everything, the next thing to do is to go ahead and get a clean cup, and you also need a clean sieve for this, okay? So once you have that with you, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and pour in the blended orange peel and the almond oil. Pour everything into the sieve and sieve out the oil. So after collecting the oil, if you feel like, you can go ahead and add vitamin E oil to it, okay? Add some drops of vitamin E to it, but here I won't be adding vitamin E oil to this one, okay? So now you get a clean bottle and pour in the vitamin C serum into it. So guys, this is it. Our vitamin C serum is ready. And how do I use this? Once after making this, I'll go ahead and add some into my face cream and my body cream. So Anytime after bathing, I will apply it on my face and on my skin, and sometimes I wash my face with warm water and apply it on my face directly without adding it into any cream, guys. So that's how you use it to lighten your skin and also clear dark spot, guys. So that's basically it. You use this for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks you throw it away and prepare another one. Okay, so please, if you've watched to this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next one. Bye.